How is alimony decided in a separation agreement? Imagine two people who once shared everything, now trying to figure out how to split their financial future. That's where alimony comes into play. When couples decide to separate, they often include terms about alimony in their separation agreement. But how do they decide what's fair? Let's break it down. Alimony, also called spousal support or maintenance, is money paid by one spouse to the other after separation or divorce. It helps the recipient maintain a similar standard of living they had during the marriage. It's different from child support or dividing property. The process starts with looking at both spouses' financial situations. This means checking incomes, savings, investments, debts, and expenses. The goal is to see what each person earns and what they need to live comfortably. Next, the court or the spouses consider the lifestyle they built during the marriage. If they lived comfortably, the agreement might aim to keep that standard. If the marriage was short or simple, alimony might be less or not at all. Another key factor is how long they were married. Longer marriages often lead to longer or higher alimony payments. Short marriages might result in little or no support, especially if both spouses are self-supporting. Contributions to the marriage also matter. This includes money earned and non-financial help like caring for children or managing the home. If one spouse supported the other's career or took care of the home, that can influence alimony decisions. The ages and health of both spouses are important too. If someone is older or has health issues, they might need more support because earning income could be harder. Younger, healthy spouses might be expected to support themselves sooner. Employment status and earning potential are also considered. If the recipient can work or improve their skills, they might get less alimony. If both are earning well, support might not be necessary. Sometimes, how the separation happened affects the decision. If one spouse was at fault or caused the breakup, it could influence alimony, depending on local laws. Existing agreements like prenuptial or postnuptial contracts can set limits or specific terms for alimony. These agreements are considered when deciding what's fair. Tax laws also play a role. Since 2019, alimony payments made after that year are not tax-deductible for the payer or taxable for the recipient. This change can affect how couples negotiate their payments. In a separation agreement, couples usually specify the exact amount of alimony, how often it is paid, and for how long. Payments are often made by check or bank transfer. They also decide if payments will stop if the recipient remarries or if either spouse passes away. Sometimes, the agreement includes conditions that can change or end the support, like the recipient getting a new job or moving away. It's important to clearly state these rules to avoid future disagreements. Overall, deciding on alimony involves balancing fairness, financial needs, and legal rules. It's a mix of negotiation and legal guidelines, aiming to make sure both spouses are treated fairly and that the agreement can be enforced smoothly.